If you saw the service video to this, absolutely superb performance, full watt output, and less than 0.2 microvolts for 10 decibel SINAD. See where's Mr. Chippie's there. I've not heard anything on this. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. We've also got the factory original mic, which is identical to this. I'll get it out of the box. Ready for the bit at the end.
Right, we're back in the house and recording.
Roger on that, and we've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end
Trebly,
of it, passing the passing
bassy.
place and doggy daycare.
Roger on that. So same kind of coffin mic, but it says made in Japan and has a metal hanger, so you can always tell the genuine one, which says Japan, as I say, on the bottom.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 159.9 and 186.9.
So is that up or down?
That's like 5p up on petrol. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. We've got
Child's favourites from Wales. We've got the Harvard 420M, doing a full watt output on the standard repost for mic, and he's from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 shot here.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, roger.
now going over for level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over to level crossing.
Roger that. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. It's a jolly good test because this is an exceptionally performing set. We know that the leaves are on the trees and the performance at the 5 mile point has got worse as we've gone in towards spring. So here we are doing full 4 watts output. The radio's going 1.1 amps. We're going to go to low power and it's set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are back on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that, no problem on full power. Had to override the squash on low power and it was a bit too noisy to read you properly.
Roger, there we are, that proves the point. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, well, on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 154.9, 189.7.
That one's cheaper, is it?
It is, yeah, for petrol, diesel I don't think, but it's the same price it's been. I don't think they've changed the price there for a long time.
Roger on that, well that works for 3, thank you. So 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Chippie.
actually got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Is there a change of petrol price at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 154.9, 189.7.
So that one's cheaper, is it?
It is, yeah, it's the petrol, not the diesel, I don't think, but it's the same price it's been, I don't think it's changed the price there for a long time.
Roger on that. Well, that works a treat, thank you. And so 1010. Okay, we'll go over to our base station, which of course has the same Cybernet 134 board in it, and we'll see what it sounds like on this mic, and also we'll go over to the factory original.
Tango 21 testing the Harvard 420M with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. This is a full power 4 watts. Go to low power the hum test. There we are on low power. Back to full power. There we are on low power. So we now just test it with the factory original mic. And here we are on the original microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to low power, same reason. There we are on low power. There is a hum test. If it was a hum, it would diminish on low power. There we are on full power. I think tomorrow we've got yet another Cybernet 134. I think it's a York 863. And then we're probably back onto trucking and farming to get those finished off. So thanks for watching Harvard 420M. Really, really good radio.